Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable charcoal grill that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that I'm pretty excited to try this one. So here's you're gonna see the box that comes with the actual grill, which by the way, you don't have to assemble anything. Everything is assembled out of the box. So that's actually pretty good because sometimes you gotta assemble all these ones and just like make some parts and screws and bolts and things like that. You don't have to do anything with this. So I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and then we're gonna drop some charcoal and probably cook some steaks or burgers. I don't know yet, but again, I'm pretty excited. I have plenty of charcoal grills. This one can actually be my on-the-go charcoal grill. You can see that it is pretty lightweight, but not super flimsy. It comes with the actual legs, which by the way, you can fold. Once that you fold these ones, you're gonna see right here and right here, you fold them away, and then you make of this one a completely portable charcoal grill that you can take with you with this handle and take it to a camping place. If you are going hiking, if you're going fishing, if you're going to the beach, it could be really good to make some. Oh, well, that was me, that was my fault. And you can make some hot dogs or things like that, or burgers at the beach or something like that. So actually, let me show it to you on a close-up before cooking some steaks or burgers. I don't know yet. So here's how it's going to work. You're gonna put these ones out of the way, then you're gonna put this all to the side, so that's actually quite good, so you have some surface over here to put the utensils. By the way, it comes with this one, so I do appreciate that, and it also comes with the gloves that you can use, of course. This one, I'm not super sure about what this is for, but I'm pretty sure that it's for this, just to take this away. And by the way, this is where the charcoal is gonna be, which I think is actually quite nice of a surface just to put the charcoal that you're gonna need for this one, because again, I think in this one you're gonna put one big steak, two big steak, up to 3 steaks, so you can put plenty of burgers, or you can put some hot dogs or many other things. So I'm actually gonna drop some of the charcoal, gonna ignite the fire, and let's see how that goes. And we have some charcoal ready here, almost ready. I'm just gonna let the flames extinguish just a little bit because I don't want to burn my meat. And talking about the meat, I have my steaks here, and I'm gonna also drop 2 burgers, maybe more, I have no idea. So it's gonna be about a few more minutes, and we shall see how that goes. So while this one keeps cooking, you can see down here that there's enough oxygen for the flames and for the charcoal, of course, and then it's gonna be easy to clean as well because you just remove this part over here and you're all set. So let's actually keep cooking, and we're back here in a few minutes. So one side done, the other one's gonna be done in about, it's not done from one side, just like one flip, and it's gonna be done in probably like another 5 minutes. And yeah, I like it, just flaming them a little bit now, and then it's gonna be the burgers. We're all set. You can see this one, pretty easy to carry, also foldable, also with handles, and of course with the leg. Makes it to be one of the best ones for camping or hiking or fishing or just to the beach. I'll give it a thumbs up. I like this little boy over here. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.